Sewage systems. There are three types of sewage systems: combined system, separate system, and partially separate system. First one is combined system. Here, in combined system, one pipe can carry both sewage and storm water. Here, sewage water means wastewater from houses, and storm water means rainwater. For example, in golden cities like Kolkata, the same underground pipe collect both toilet waste, kitchen waste, and also rainwater together. Okay. And advantages: both domestic sewage and storm water are carried in a single sewer, so construction cost is less. Then, and next point is the strength of domestic sewage is reduced because of dilution of storm water. Here, both sewage and stormwater is carrying in same pipe. Because of this, the stormwater will dilute the strength of the sewage. Okay, and next, coming to disadvantages. Okay, see the last point, the town with narrow street. The system is preferred. Okay, and next one is advantages of combined system. In initial stage, the cost of construction of this pipeline is very cost because of dimensions of sewage are very large. Okay, and next point is because of large size of sewer, their handling and transportation is very difficult. Due to the inclusion of storm water, the load on the treatment plant increases because the storm water is mixing with the sewage water. Due to that mixing, the load will also increases in treatment plant while treating the sewage water. Okay, this is the combined sewer system total diagram. Okay, sanitary stormwater are combined in single pipeline. See, there is only single pipe is holding the both of sewage water and storm water. For example, see here the separate system, there is two types of pipes. One is for uh, storm water and another one is for sewage water. See here, we can observe that there is two types of pipes from roof. See here, left side. Okay, from roof, rainwater is coming to the drains. Okay, and the house wastage is coming to the another pipe. Okay, the in this diagram both are in carrying in different pipelines, and coming to this, there is only single pipe which can handle both sewage water and storm water. Okay, going to this separate system. In this system, two separate pipes handles one pipe handles sewage water and another pipe handles rainwater. For example, in many new towns or planned areas use this system. Okay, one pipe for toilet and kitchen waste, and another pipe is for rainwater from roads. Okay, so coming to the advantages, size of sewer requires less. Why? Because there is two different of pipes. Okay, rainwater can carry to the one pipe, and another pipe is for sewage water. Okay, in this combined system, this is handling both rainwater and sewage water in a single pipe itself. Okay, but in this separate system, there is different to that. Okay, like sewage water and storm water is carrying in different pipes. Okay, so since the sanitary sewage, and see the second point, Since the sanitary sewage and storm water flows in a separate pipes, okay, the quantity of sewage to be treated is very less. In this combined system, see this second point here, due to the inclusion of stormwater, the load on the treatment plant is increases. In this separate system, the load, sorry, here, the quantity of sewage to be treated is very less. Okay, in that the quantity of sewage is very high due to the storm water is mixing with the sewage water. Okay, I think all catching my point. Next, disadvantages. Since the sewer are small size, it is difficult to clean them. Why? Because the size is very less. The diameter of the pipe is very less when compared to the combined system. So in this system, it is difficult to clean them. Okay, they are likely to get clogged. In why? Because sewage what is clogged in this pipe means the size, sorry, the diameter of the pipe is very less when compared to the combined system. Okay, the initial cost is high in this type also, in this type of systems also. Initial cost is high when two separate sets are used. Okay, maintenance cost of sewer is also high. And this is the diagram for separate system. And next, partially separate system. Here the total pipe knot should be like a separate system, and also the total pipe knot should be in a combined system. This is like for some portion there might be combined, and some portion there might be separate. Okay, so the point is normally the sewage and small amount of rainwater goes the same pipe, but heavy rains has a separate pipe. Okay, what the point means, in for example, in a small amount of rain condition, the pipes are separate. Sorry, the pipes are uh, sorry sorry I'm get okay, the in sorry the in normally sewage and uh, rainwater is in separate pipelines in conditions of small amount of rain occurring. In when the heavy rain will occur, the pipe will be separate. Okay, for example, in some towns where full separation is expensive. Okay, getting the point, I think. uh, in some towns like small streets, some kind of situations, when separate system is expensive, in that situation some portion of the area will carry separate pipes, and some portion of area will contain combine. Okay, I think everyone get the point. Next, see advantages. The sewers are of reasonable size, their cleaning is therefore not difficult. Okay, and next point is it combines the advantages of both the separate as well as combined system. Why? Because there is separate system and also combined system. Like the for example, there is both separate and combined system. Means for some portion there is a combined, and some portion there is separate pipes. Okay, next, coming to the disadvantages, during dry weather, okay, deposition takes place in sewer. Deposition takes place in sewer. As initial stormwater is included, the cost of pumping and size of the disposal units also increases. Okay, see here, third point, the stormwater increase the load on the treatment unit. Why? Because at finally storm water and sewage water is combining in the same line, no, after that the water is carrying to the treatment plant. In that cases, load will be increased in treatment units. That's it.